We are the Morgans, Bill and Penny, and we're both retired. The McCain team has been a friend of the family for years, and Classic Realty is part of their family.
Exceeded our expectations in selling the house and everything that was going on. Like I said, it's been a great experience. It's been fast. I couldn't ask for better. You treated the home like it was your own. Made a difference. We felt comfortable. That was huge right now for us to have the comfort and knowing that everything is being taken care of properly. And I like that everything here is out in the open and above board. It's just nice, comforting. I think out of all that, this is the best experience I've had with it. As far as getting information, being kept informed on everything, huge improvement. Always knowing what's going on and all the details that we're taking care of.
It was within a week, a giant open house, more than 70 people, multiple offers. The house was sold within days. You can't ask for more. Jim Burnson, Danielle Powell, they make a team that you can't get anything better.
Absolutely. Couldn't be happier.
The results were perfect.
Yeah, exceeded our expectations with the house. We always like details. We always want to know what's going to happen. We're always trying to plan everything. That's what we do. Working with the McCain team, all that was met. Our worries were actually taken away because Jim and Danielle always informed us. It's made a huge difference. Yeah, excellent experience.
We're one of 3 houses that have sold on this block in the last month, and ours went through the easiest, the fastest, and for the most money. We tried to recommend the other neighbors, but they didn't go there, so don't make that same mistake. Go with the McCain team. They'll do it and do it right. We'd absolutely recommend them to anybody. This is the second home that we've sold through the McCain team. They have both sold for more than asking in less than a week. Their service, their kindness, everything has been impeccable. I would recommend them to anybody.
Yeah.
Actually, I wouldn't suggest you go anywhere else.
If you want to go through this process, which is extensive, but if you want to go through, we're people that will help you, keep you informed, and make it pleasurable, the McCain team is the one to go with.
Absolutely.